Introducing a rapid drying waterproofing and crack isolation membrane that allows installers to install, waterproof, flood test, and set tile all in one day. MAPEI's Mapelastic Turbo. Mapelastic Turbo is a two-component cementitious binder-based membrane with fine-grained aggregates, special admixtures, and polymers. It is designed for interior and exterior installations under ceramic tile and stone in residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Also, it can be used in intermittent wet or submerged environments. Using this rapid-setting product can reduce time and costs of installation for contractors, thanks to the possibility of one-day turnarounds. Easy to apply, this fast-drying membrane has a pot life of 45 minutes or more, offering installers the best of both worlds: longer working times and the ability to flood test 3 to 4 hours after installation. And Mapelastic Turbo can be applied with a roller or a brush, making it perfect for use over flat, curved, and irregular surfaces. This membrane prevents in-plane floor cracks up to 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters from transmitting through tile or stone. And Mapelastic Turbo can be used as a standalone waterproofing and crack isolating membrane or as part of a system solution. The following are just a few examples of possible applications: floors, walls, and countertops of homes, restaurants, and breweries. Bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry rooms in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Swimming pools, spas, fountains, and water features. Because it is low in odor, Mapelastic Turbo is great for use in confined spaces. MAPEI's Mapelastic Turbo. The name says it all. It offers the quality you trust with enhanced speed, adding up to greater productivity on your next waterproofing installation. For more information, visit us online at www.mapei.com.